The dark side of the wine industry is often overlooked and never really discussed, especially when it comes to the dangers and issues that the farm workers face on a daily basis. To begin, pesticides. Synthetic pesticides are a huge issue, and they've always been, especially when it comes to the fact that they're a known carcinogen, meaning that they are likely to cause cancer because of exposure. These people are often exposed to these carcinogens on a daily basis for years, if sometimes not decades, and so ensuring that they're given proper PPE and tools they need to not contract disease like cancer is incredibly important, but often overlooked and not provided by the employers at these wineries. In addition, a lot of these workers are considered migrant workers, and some aren't necessarily legally authorized in the United States. And it's not like the employers are oblivious. They know exactly what they're doing. And this often means that these employers will often intimidate and abuse the workers by engaging in unfair labor practices, by not paying overtime, misclassifying them as independent contractors, depriving them of meal and lunch breaks, as well as other benefits mandated by the local counties and the state of California. In addition to that, there's many migrant workers who are often injured on the job and deprived of their workers' compensation benefits because supervisors, on behalf of employers, deny them their ability to seek medical care. There's been a lot of movement trying to ensure the employees of these wineries are actually given the information they need about workers' comp, employee rights, as well as access to medical care in their local venues. However, it's still not enough. We all hope this leads to a more lawful and sustainable business practices for all wineries in the future.